Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be going over another Advanblack product that is the brand new saddlebag liners for the 4.5 inch stretch saddlebags from Advanblack. Before I get into the video, guys, I want to say a big huge thank you to everybody out there that's already subscribed to the channel. If you haven't, check out the channel, guys. Over 90 bagger related videos on there right now. Every single thing we've done to this Street Glide from the day we got it to up until now is on the YouTube channel. If you have any questions on anything, leave it in the comment boxes down below the videos, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can. If you like what you see, guys, and you want to keep seeing more videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon next to it, and it'll let you know every time we upload a new video. All right, so just a couple of weeks ago, we did a tour pack liner video for Advanblack. The tour pack liners finally got done. We've got the razor and the chopped. We put the razor in, did the video on it, show you how it's completely contoured to the inside of the razor pack and how it can protect everything that you put in your tour pack. Now this week, the saddlebag liners came out, guys, and they are matching. I'm gonna go over a few questions that I've already had just real quick before we get into the install. Since we released these on Facebook and on the website and stuff, I've already got a couple of questions and I want to address those real quick. The first thing is these are only for the 2014 up as of right now. We have the 13 to 09 saddlebags and these do not fit that. This is just for 14 up. We are working on the 13 to 9. We got these done and now we're working on those. So just be patient with us and they'll be out soon. Colors, right now this is the only color and the only pattern that we have right now. We are working on other colors. These are the ones that we got stitched up right now and they are ready to ship. There is no wait time, guys. When you order them, they're ready to ship. They'll be in the mail within 1 to 2 business days and be shipped to your address. What you're gonna get inside the package is 2 saddlebag liners, a left and a right, and you're gonna get a roll of sticky Velcro. The material that's on this is identical to the ones for the tour pack. You've got a plush material on the outside, and the Velcro, the part that you're gonna get is the hook side. So when you stick that on the inside of your saddlebags, when you put this in, the hooks are gonna grab onto this plushy material and it sticks very well. We'll get this up into the camera for you. If you haven't already seen our tour pack liners, this is the pattern that you're going to get. It's custom stitched and this is the color that we offer right now. But like I said, we are working on more colors. Shopped around for a lot of saddlebag liners in the past. So what I see over and over again with some of the other saddlebag liners that are out there, guys, is the pattern right here. It only goes down 3/4 of the way. And then in the bottom, you just have black material, or they actually fill in the extended part like with a tray, which cuts that extension out. That's usable space. And it goes over with another just piece of black or whatever color material in the bottom. So it's just 3/4 of the way down. Hopefully you can see right there, guys, our pattern goes all the way down. It's the entire inside of the saddlebag. There's no blacked out material in the bottom. There's no thinner or cheaper material down there. It's all the same. Hopefully you can see on the bottom right here, this is where your bag bar goes. This actually will push up because the inside of your saddlebag has a lip there where the tray is. Here's the tray, here's the saddlebag bar. Everything is contoured exactly to the bottom of our saddlebags. Okay guys, so just a quick glance on the Velcro. Here's your Velcro stripping. Do not try to run this Velcro stripping in one piece all the way around. It's just not gonna work. Every time you go through a corner, the Velcro is gonna angle up or angle down depending on the corner. So I just cut strips, make sure that it's covered. Do not put it right on the edge. The saddlebag liner goes up to the edge, but sometimes if you put that Velcro right on the edge, you're gonna see some of that Velcro. So my OCD is not gonna let that happen. So I actually drop the Velcro down about, I don't know, it's about 1/2 inch down. It's gonna hold it all the way around through here, and it's gonna cover up all my speaker wires. As you can see, we got the dual 6x9 lids, and we got the speaker wire that has to loop around here and go through the inside of the bag here. So that liner is gonna cover all of that and just really clean up that area. Once you get your Velcro installed like this, just put your knobs and the washers on the outside of the tour pack liner, put them back through and remount. It's that easy. Since I have my Velcro in there already, we'll just get this one installed for you and show you what it looks like. That's it, guys. It's that simple. That literally took me less than 2 minutes to put in. Once you get your Velcro in, it drops in. Like I said, it's contoured to the bottom of the bag, so you really don't have to fight anything. So bear with me, guys. I'm gonna go off tripod here, but I just wanted to get the camera in here so you could see how that actually contours every little nook and cranny of the inside of the bag. Now, as you can see right here, mine's got a slight lump to it, but that's from my speaker wires running under here, and they go over and come out back up here. So mine's got a little lump, but that's because of the huge speaker wires that I have in there. But if you didn't have that, it would lay really, really flat. Now, this is the Razor Tour Pack liner that we did just a few weeks ago. This is the same material. Of course, I've got all my stuff in the bottom right there, but if I pan over right there to the Saddlebag, as you can see, that is the same stitching, same color, everything, same quality. Putting the Saddlebag liners in your saddlebags actually has a couple of great benefits. Not only do they look good, they clean up the inside of the tour pack, just the way that looks, but it protects all the stuff that you're putting in your saddlebags, guys. Cell phones, tablets, cameras. I've seen all kinds of electronics, GPS units, anything you want to throw in there that you don't want bouncing off of plastic while you're going down the road. These bikes vibrate pretty good. Every bump you hit in the road, your cell phone's in there bouncing around, or your cameras in there bouncing around. I've seen a lot of different stuff, a lot of different electronics in saddlebags and tour packs. To me, that's a no-brainer. It's a great investment to protect my more expensive investment. Guys, like I said, be patient with the colors, and please be patient with the 09 to 13s. They are working on them right now. It's just like the side covers, guys. I see it all the time. Well, why don't you have them? Well, because we don't have them done yet. We got the 14 to 18s done. Now we're working on the 9 to 13s. We got the 14 to 18s done, and we released them for those guys to buy. Those are just the ones we started with, but we are now working on the 09 to 13s. Same way with the Saddlebag liners, guys. We are working on them, so please just be patient, and we'll have them out as quick as we can. We want them out there just as fast as you guys want them in your bags. So that's pretty much it, and I hope this video helped you guys to let you see what they look like in the bag, how easy they are to install. And if it did, guys, give it a big thumbs up. Share the video with your buddies. Maybe there's some guys out there looking for these products and they'd like to see the videos. We get a lot of good feedback from the YouTube channel, guys. Not only kicking around ideas, you can leave the comment down below, or you can call the Advanblack service line. You're going to get me. Ask me any kind of questions that you want. I'm always here to help. But I'm gonna get out of here, guys, and get back to work. But until the next video, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.